Hey, back at it again. What's up, Momo? You want to say hi? Come on. Everyone say hi to Momo. You the good boy. I have to teach. Go. Go lay down. All right, here we are, back with phase 3. I just pulled the information from the website and created this document for the students to complete through Google Classroom. So you only have to go to one place. I'm trying to streamline it. I'm learning as we go along. So here is the last assignment for week 2, okay? Labeled phase 3. So I'm going to read the instructions and then show you what I want. Phase 3, Gone Viral, poem by, I cannot pronounce that name. Sorry. You can read this poem 2 different ways. One way is to read each line all the way across both blue and white sections. So it's saying that you can read it zoom all the way across, all the way from left all the way to right. A second way to read is the blue section as one voice, gone, and read the white section as another voice, viral. So the next way to read it is just the white side and then just the blue side. To listen to the poem read in the same order, listen here. Here is a hyperlink to Spotify, which it should allow everyone to go in there. And I've already been listening to it, but if you restart it and then hit, it's not going to do that, resume. It's pretty crazy to listen to. But anyway, listen to it, read it all 3 ways, as one whole poem, as one side, and then read it the other side. As you read it, you can jot down some thoughts or ideas that come into your head. But then afterwards, you're going to scroll to the bottom. After you read or listened to the poem each way, answer these questions. 6th graders, I want you to answer 3 of them. Any 3 that you want. Any 3. And then 7th graders, I want you to answer all 5 of them. All 5 questions. Period. And here you go. And just go through and answer them. A couple sentences per question. Like I said, this will be the last assignment. Sorry. Whoa. Answers all 5. No. It's all right. This will be the last assignment for the week. I love me some sweet tea. Again, if you have any questions at all, Facebook, Google Voice, Instagram, email, however you can get a hold of me, I'm here to help. Like I said, I'm trying to make these assignments rigorous but easy to understand at the same time. It's a hard balance to find. So here's the assignment. It will be posted on Google Classroom. Work your way through it. And if you have any questions, you can also message me on Google Classroom as well. So there we go.